Good morning. It is NTI day 13. It is Thursday, April 9th, I think. And we're going to talk about some more of your vocab words for the Ecosystems Project. If you need a reminder, you go to Summit. You will see NTI day 13. Sorry, it's April 9th. I've lost my mind. Did I?
Yeah.
That's Miss Alcorn over there. And you're going to click on it and you'll go into your vocab words: food web, mutualism, commensalism, parasitism, and competition. So let's talk about those real quick. So we have first food web. Food web is a series of organisms connected by predator-prey and consumer-producer relationships. It includes many overlapping food chains to represent how energy moves through an ecosystem. So here we have a food web. And you'll notice like P is for producer, 1 is a primary consumer, 2 is a secondary consumer, 3 is a tertiary consumer, 4 is a quaternary consumer, H is a herbivore, C is a carnivore, O is an omnivore, and D is a decomposer. So we have all these different animals and plants and how they interact with one another. And how they're connected by predator-prey relationships and those consumer-producer relationships. So like you'll see that the tree is a producer, and then the bird is a secondary consumer and also an omnivore. And then that bird is then connected to the eagle, and that eagle is a tertiary consumer and a carnivore. So all these different animals and plants are different pieces to a food web. Mutualism is a symbiotic relationship that is beneficial to both organisms. So you'll see a bee and a flower. They're both important to one another. They're not hurting each other. They're helping one another. Commensalism is a symbiotic relationship where one species benefits and the other is not impacted at all. So we have these little crustaceans living on a whale, and it's not hurting or helping the whale, but it's helping the little crustaceans. And then we have parasitism, however you prefer to pronounce it. This is a symbiotic relationship where one species benefits and one species is harmed. So we have these pesky little mosquitoes that they come and they bite us, or they suck the blood out of our skin, and it hurts us because typically you have itching and whelps that occur after the mosquito has gotten you. And then we have competition. This is not like competition as in, oh, let's go compete and play basketball against each other. This is the struggle between two organisms for the same resources within an environment. So we have two hippos who are trying to compete over something in the same environment. They need the same resources, and they have to fight out for who can get them. Okay, now remember, when you are doing your vocab, you're doing a definition, you're doing a picture, and then you're doing an example or using it in a sentence. And we are not just going to Google. You are using the ecosystem doodle notes and the slides that we have shown you in this video. Have a great day.